In a quiet neighborhood, a group of merry pranksters sets up an impromptu doorbell orchestra, with each doorbell playing a different note. Curious pedestrians stop in their tracks as they hear a jingle that transforms into a familiar symphony. As more people gather, the orchestrated door chimes crescendo into a spontaneous concert, leaving the audience in fits of laughter. Participants are invited to conduct the orchestra with simple hand gestures, creating a delightful cacophony that fills the air. The unexpected harmony and amusing interactions spark joy and surprise, highlighting the shared love for music and humor in community spaces.